Maybe a little hotter feeling. I don't know. I can't really tell the difference day to day. I haven't been outside since this morning, but seems like it's going to be hot again out there.
Hot, but if we get some rain, that'll cool us down.
Yeah,
and so we're hoping for some spot showers. I want to start with the tropics, though, because this does tie into the rain chances through the next 7 days. National Hurricane Center is now including a good chunk of the Lone Star State's coast for a potential tropical development. Remnants from which was Christina in the eastern Pacific are now sitting in the western Gulf. You see that red blob, just convection showers and thunderstorms, and it could eventually track further north-northwest and bring some sort of possible additional storm. In general, though, it would just be a plume of moisture by the later half of the weekend into next week. I'm not expecting a named storm, but when you have a lot of this energy on shore and then you'll have a cold front crashing in from north to south, it really opens the door for some steady rain here. So that's why I have a higher confidence for rain. We have an 80% for Monday. Typically an 80% rain chance we'll put out 2-3 days out, but the fact that we're 4 or 5 days out, and I'm thinking we're going to get some good rain. It's a good step in the right direction to help fill the lakes and finish off that drought. Right now, just some spotty showers from daytime heating. Not much, if anything. Zoomed in closer perspective, downpour right through Bee Cave up toward Hudson Bend, but the downtown Austin area mostly dry. I'm keeping that 30% rain chance through the afternoon, evening, 10% at times overnight. Clouds and radar. Let's talk about timing here. So through the early afternoon, still, popcorn storm. I think some of this pink is overdone. Hail's not really an issue. It would be more just some localized heavy rain, maybe a strong wind gust here and there. Through the evening hours, we dry out overnight. Right now, it depends on if you're dry or not. If you had no rain, it's already 90 in Bastrop. If you've had some showers, look at Dripping Spring, 76. So certainly a big temperature gradient there. Highs today mostly in those 90s, but some rain-cooled air could keep some in just the mid to upper 80s. With the humidity, if you stay dry, feeling like the triple digits, certainly a possibility. Good reminder to practice some heat safety and stay hydrated. 90s to 80s through the evening, clouds build in. Same story for your Saturday, spot shower. By Sunday, cooler 92, but a higher rain chance as we work into next week. With that front that would be on the horizon by Monday and Tuesday. Highs cool to the upper 80s, normal high 93. That front with the tropical moisture bringing a numerous to widespread rain chance, but we should eventually dry up by Wednesday into Thursday. Here's how it looks Sunday into Monday. Notice as the front slowly slides south and you have a lot of that moisture on the coast, heavy rain pretty much consuming a good chunk of the KXAN viewing area. So I'm thinking at least an inch for now. Obviously, we'll go through the adjustments. I think we'll put out a first call map this weekend for specific rain totals, higher totals east of I-35. But it's always good because as we're approaching the middle half of June, a rain chance every day in the 7-day, such a blessing. We know it in recent summers, once it gets hot, it stays hot.